Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we will discuss how coding is working. Coding, it's like building with digital Lego blocks. What is coding? Programming, writing instructions, computer follow. Languages like Python, JavaScript, C++, each with strengths. Purpose, building apps, website, games, and automation tasks. Popular coding languages Python, versatile, used in AI, data science, easy to learn. JavaScript powers web interactivity, front-end, backend. Java, widely used in apps, Android, and development. C++, performance focused for game systems. Swift for iOS app development. Coding concept variables as storing data, loops as repeating actions, function as reusable code blocks, conditions making decisions if else, debugging, finding and fixing errors. Areas of coding: building sites, web development as building site, front end, back end, mobile apps as iOS, Swift, Android, Kotlin, Java. Data science analysis AI with Python or game development in engines like Unity, automation scripts for tasks. Tools and practices IDES integrated development environments versus code churn, version control, GI tracking changes, and calibration platforms like GitHub, testing ensuring code works right. Coding in Pakistan, growing IT sector opportunities in tech, learning resources, online courses, Coursera, Udemy, communities, tech meetups, forums. Why coding matters: problem solving as logical thinking, creativity as building digital products, career in demand skill globally. Would you like to explore a specific language like Python and coding for a purpose, learning sources for coding, how coding impact industries? Coding impact industries as coding has transformed industries in profound ways. Key industrial aspects: technology and software, core of tech companies, Google, Microsoft; finance as algorithm, trading, fintech, apps, Revolt, Stripe; healthcare as medical software, AI diagnostics, telemedicine; e-commerce as platforms like Amazon, Draz, Pakistan; manufacturing as automation, Industry 4.0, smart factories; entertainment, games, Unity, Unreal Engine, streaming, Netflix; transportation, autonomous vehicles, ride hailing, Uber; specific application as data analysis, businesses leverage data insights, Python, R, AI and ML; predictive models in finance, healthcare, cybersecurity, protecting digital assets with coding expertise, IoT, connected devices, smartphones, industrial sensors, and cloud computing include AWS, Azure, scalable infrastructure. Pakistan context: IP exports, fine tech growth, startups, digital services, and benefits as efficiency, innovation, scalability, cost reduction. Challenges as skill gap, security, adaptability, coding driven transformers, digital transformation, and remote work, and other is customer experience.